Hi fam, today we're going to be making an anti-inflammatory, energizing green juice. Inflammation is such an important topic. It occurs when our immune system is triggered, which is our body's natural protection mechanism system against outside invaders. And what occurs is our white blood cells then produce, which is a good thing, to help fight against bodily injury, bacteria, viruses, and infection. The underlying cause of weight gain is because of inflammation. When acute inflammation is untreated, however, it can be detrimental to our health because it then can lead to chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and depression. So it's so important to have a juice of high nutritional value incorporated with your daily diet to help protect you against inflammation and also to remove the inflammation from your body. I love to drink green smoothies every morning, and this is a juice that I'm definitely going to start drinking every morning as well. And nature is so smart. It put the medicine in the food, and each one of these ingredients are proven to help decrease the amount of inflammation in your body. We're going to be using my new Hamilton Beach juicer. I'm so excited to try it out and see how this amazing, delicious juice is going to turn out. So let's get into some of the ingredients that we're going to be using today. So we have here kale, cilantro, cucumbers, avocado, kiwi, apples, ginger, and pineapple. Adding in our cucumber first, that has tons of B vitamins, actually has B1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, folic acid, vitamin C, tons of electrolytes. Kale is packed with vitamin K, C, A, iron, and omega-3s. It's a huge phytonutrient, so I had to have it in this juice. I didn't know juicing would be this much fun. It's actually even a little therapeutic. Add in apples. I love apples. It's like my favorite snack. I eat about at least 3 apples a day. I love pineapples. They have a huge nutritional content of vitamin C and magnesium, and it's great for your metabolism, and also has tons of antioxidants. I'm going to drop in some ginger, which also has a lot of medicinal properties. Cilantro is also really beneficial. It has vitamin A, C, E, and K, calcium, potassium. It's really packed with vitamin A, which is great for your vision, immune system, lowers your blood sugar. It's great for your brain health as well. I'm going to drop in some kiwi. Kiwi is really great for your skin, and it's packed with vitamin C as well. Try this delicious recipe, which is packed with so much flavor and is so refreshing. And if you like this video and would like to seek more content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.